Hi there. I'm going to continue with the screencasted feedback of the remaining students' blogs. I'm here on Luke's blog, which, by the way, Luke, I really appreciate you changing it from the other one. The other one was really cool. I really liked it, but it was really seriously hard to read. So this one I like much better. You've got an awesome title and subtitle. You need to work on your blog roll. There's a how-to video posted in the blogging assignment, and also over in the right-hand side of the course map there's a column of widgets, and somewhere among those widgets there's a how-to section where I have posted a bunch of videos, and so you'll find the link to the video that shows you how to add a blog roll to your blog. And so you need to just get rid of all of these that are here, and then replace them with links to all of the blogs in the course. You need to categorize and tag each of your posts, and let's see what else. Don't forget to self-assess, review the rubric, and make sure that you enhance your reflection with additional sources, resources, research, so that you are continuing our process of enhancing your thoughts with research and by bookmarking and sharing those bookmarks with us in diigo, and enhancing your posts with them to make your points, or to support your assertions, or to provide additional information on the various topics. So don't forget to categorize your posts. I recommend that you categorize them by module, and then use tags to differentiate the topics. If you read your classmates' blogs, leave comments, and read your comments, and delete the default blog posts that are posted. You'll also want to delete the comment that's posted there. Anything that's on the blog that's there by default, you want to get rid of, so you don't look like a newbie. Yeah, the sample page also, as I mentioned in some other person's blog, you want to personalize that to you, and you can change that from sample page to about me or something, something that is relevant to you. Okay, I think that's it for Luke. Looks really good. Moving on to Mary. I am using Firefox for this video. The last one that I did, the other one that I did was in Safari, but I switched over to Firefox so that I could show you my diigo bar, which is up here. And you can see that in diigo, using the diigo bar installed in Firefox, I have all of these options, including, let's see, highlighting and bookmarking, and I also have the ability to comment. Trying to see if I can get that up. No, that's not the right one. Where is it? Options, here we go. And I'm going to bring up comments, and then that allows me to comment on a page. So, here, I'll do an example. Oops, I'm going to highlight this text. I don't know why it's doing that. Let me just do this. I'll highlight this sentence, and I'm going to give it a pink highlight. And then I'm going to add a sticky note to that. And then I'm going to to share it with ETAP 640 and post it. So this is one of the ways that I will leave you feedback on your blogs or on other websites, and then when I can see that it's highlighted. Number one, this is my highlight in green, in pink, and this is my highlight in green on Mary's blog, and I can see that one message has been left. Now, if you were to come in here and share something, there would be a little 2 there, and it would append here, and you can tell that I made this particular highlight because it tells you, and it tells you who it's been shared with. So I want you to be on the lookout for sticky notes and comments. Also, you can also add a floating sticky to the page, which is a general comment on the whole page or site. Now, you can do this on blogs or any website. You can't do it on PDFs, but you can do it on websites. And so now you see here, there is this sticky note with a little number in it, and you can see that I have created it and shared it with ETAP 640. So look out for those in your blogs. So I might ask you a question, and I might prompt you to do some further research. So you do need to, keep an eye out for those things. You need to make sure to self-assess. 2 blog posts per module, 1 at the end of each week, and you need to categorize. And in your category, make sure that you have identified and associated your posts with the module that they go to, and that way, when the post gets going, I'll be able to, and there's lots of posts, I'll be able to isolate the ones that you intend for a particular module to give you feedback and so forth. You might also want to tag your posts, and that way you could use the tag feature for reflections, for the tag reflections, and use the category for module 1. You have a nice about page, as I recall, with images that are gorgeous, and I think these are your works of art. So really, really cool. It's personalized. It gives us insight into who you are, and it begins to help you to develop your digital identity and persona and your voice. So well done. I usually am not keen about having ETAP 640 in the title, so you have the ability to have a subtitle also. So just to keep it in mind, because honestly my hope is that you will continue to blog beyond the end of the term, but then keep in mind also that you can always change the title of your blog. It's not static. It's something you can always change. The URL you can't change, but the title of the blog and the subtitle you can always change. Okay, let's move on to this is Matthew. So Matthew, you definitely need to change the title of your blog. You definitely need to add a customized or personalized subtitle. You posted your blog on the 12th. Both of your blog posts were due on the 11th, so please keep due dates in mind. I have stickies for you. I have left comments, I think, on everyone's. If you have your comments set so that you are reviewing comments before they are made public or visible, you need to make sure to do that regularly. I would recommend that you just let comments be posted without prior review. Make sure to delete any of the default stuff, and you're going to have to get rid of this, like add tags or a search bar. Oh, here's your search bar. Add something else over it. Get rid of this one and put something else over here. You're going to need your blog role or your link role. You need to fix your categories, maybe add tags, and obviously personalize your About You page. You also have access to premium themes, and so you could go through and look at the premium themes and maybe use a different one. I don't know if you already did that or not. I don't know if this is a premium theme. I'm not sure it is. But anyway, I upgraded everybody's sites, and so you are able to play around with some of the premium themes. You'll see I left you a sticky note on your page. So I think that's all I had to tell Matthew. Let's look at, here we are on Ryan's blog. So Ryan, this is a good good title, but you need to address the subtitle. You need an about page and get rid of the sample page. You do need to also add a link role or a blog role to your classmates. Get rid of uncategorized, categorize things as module, the module they're associated with. Make sure to check any notes that I've left for you. Don't forget, this could be a link here, and it would be great if you could enhance the post with additional links, not just the ones that you've been asked to review as part of the course. Get rid of this. I see you have 2 comments. Don't forget to check your comments. Get rid of the flotsam here, as well as the comment that goes with it. In order to add the links, the blog role here, you're going to have to add it via your theme to the columns in your blog, and then there will be some default links there that you'll need to delete, and then add the links to your classmates. And to my blog, just so that we can navigate each other's blogs easily from blog to blog. That way, if I was here and I wanted to go to Hetty's blog or whatever, I would be able to quite easily from everybody's blog. Sorry about that. Okay, now what else? What else? I wanted to make sure to highlight again the use of diigo. You guys can use this too on each other's blogs, so you can leave your traditional comments that you would do. There's different ways that you do it on each person's blog, but you could do it this way. Leave a comment by going to the comment area and posting something, and then clicking notify so that you know when someone responds. Or you could do it with the diigo features. And I would recommend that you use the add, let me move this over a little bit. Add a floating sticky note to this page. Or you highlight some text, and then so I highlighted the text. Now I'm mousing over the text, and a little pencil pops up, and then I can add the sticky note, and I make sure to save it to the group. And so this is an example sticky that's attached to highlighted text. And then I post it, and then there it is. And I can tell that it's there because of the little thing, and then when I mouse over it, it pops up. Okay, I think that's all I have for you. Everyone's doing really well on their blogs. I'm missing one student's blog, Kristen, I think. But I think with all of those corrections, sort of enhancements, we'll have the blog part of the course situated.